Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are getting our hands dirty in the kitchen with what is a total game changer of a recipe. We're gonna break down how to make this delicious, healthy avocado bread with only 5 minutes of prep time. You heard that right, let's get started. So, healthy, delicious bread from scratch in just 5 minutes of actual work? I know. It sounds a little too good to be true, right? But stick with me. In this explainer, we're gonna show you exactly how it's done. Okay, let's dive right into this. First things first, we've got to build the foundation, and that means the bread itself. Let's take a look at the simple whole food ingredients we'll need to pull this off. So here are our core players. We've got that creamy avocado and some good olive oil for those healthy fats, a little garlic for a kick, and a splash of lemon to just brighten everything up. The eggs? Well, they're the binder. They hold this whole delicious thing together. And here's a key player, almond flour. This stuff not only keeps the bread gluten-free, but it also adds protein and gives it a fantastic moist texture. And step one is so simple. Just combine all of these in a blender and mix until you have a nice, smooth batter.
Now that we have our batter, it's time for the real transformation. This is the magic part, where we turn that simple mixture into a warm, delicious loaf. It all comes down to the baking process. But before it hits the oven, there are two really quick final steps. Pour your batter into a lined baking dish. First, you're going to brush the top with an egg wash. This is the secret to getting that perfect golden brown crust, because the proteins in the egg caramelize in the heat. Second, sprinkle generously with sesame seeds. That's for some added texture and a great nutty flavor. And just like that, it's ready to bake. Make sure to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Getting the temperature right from the start is absolutely crucial for an even bake. You know, it makes sure the inside is cooked all the way through while the outside gets that beautiful crust we're looking for. Now, get this, you're gonna bake it for just 20 minutes. That's it. In less time than it takes to watch an episode of your favorite show, your kitchen is going to be filled with the amazing aroma of fresh, homemade bread. While the bread is in the oven doing its thing, let's prepare the finishing touch. A quick, vibrant topping is what will take this recipe from being really great to absolutely unforgettable. For the topping, all you do is chop and mix these fresh ingredients together. We're creating a perfect balance of flavors here. You've got the heat of the chili, the freshness of the coriander, onion, and tomato, a little more garlic, olive oil, salt, and a final squeeze of lemon juice brings it all together for this zesty, powerful finish that just cuts right through the richness of the avocado bread. And just like that, the timer goes off. Pull that beautiful golden loaf from the oven, give it just a moment to cool, and then slice it up while it's still warm. All that's left is to spoon that fresh, zesty topping right over it. And there you go, your creation is complete. After just a few minutes of prep and a pretty short wait, there's only one thing left to say: bon appetit. I really hope you enjoyed the incredible, healthy bread you just made. So there you have it, the super simple blueprint for fast, healthy, and delicious avocado bread. Now the final question is really for you. How would you make it your own? Maybe add some feta cheese or sun-dried tomatoes to that topping? Or maybe mix some different nuts and seeds right into the batter. The possibilities are endless, and we would love to hear your ideas. Hey everyone.